We have some breaking news now coming in. A huge controversy has erupted as the Congress party is now hitting out at the BJP over the plans of the BJP, the Prime Minister planning to inaugurate the Veer Savarkar College tomorrow. Well, now the National Students Union of India has urged Prime Minister Modi to name a college under the University of Delhi after the late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Well, the NSUI has written to Prime Minister Modi demanding that a central university be named after Dr. Manmohan Singh, and also that should include his life journey in the curriculum. Well, this comes just the very same day that it's revealed that the Prime Minister would lay the foundation for a college named after Veer Savarkar tomorrow. Well, that's the latest that's coming in at the moment. Well, my colleague Aishwarya also now joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Aishwarya, huge controversy has now erupted with the NSUI writing this letter to Prime Minister Modi. This very same day, the BJP has announced that Prime Minister Modi would lay the foundation stone of the college named after Savarkar.
Well, certainly. Tomorrow there would be three colleges that Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone. One in West Delhi, one in East Delhi, and the other one will be in Nazafgarh, which will be named after Veer Savarkar. And the controversy and politics over it erupted as soon as this declaration happened. It was the Congress leaders who stated that the renaming of the college, as far as Veer Savarkar is concerned, that is not appropriate. The Congress demanded earlier that there are multiple and numerous freedom fighters. On those names, there should be colleges in the Delhi University that should be named. And now a fresh twist had been given by the NSUI president, who had written a letter to the Prime Minister. And they had demanded that tomorrow, when Prime Minister is all set to lay the foundation stone of Veer Savarkar College in Nazafgarh, it should be former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. That name should be there instead of Veer Savarkar, and it should be on the ideas, on the principles, and all that life that former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had given to the country. Those ideas and his life should be taught, his lessons should be taught in those universities. And the college should be named after former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. A dedicated central university on former Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, I beg your pardon, should also be inaugurated very soon, and that should.
Well, senior leader of the BJP, Mr. Nalin Kohli, also joins us on the broadcast with us. Mr. Kohli, well, the Congress party has been saying that the BJP is trying to promote and legitimize those who've been supporting the British Raj. And now NSUI has written a letter asking for a college be named after Manmohan Singh. How does the BJP respond to that?
I think the Congress party should read what Indira Gandhi ji, former Prime Minister, a very senior Congress leader from the first family, wrote about Veer Savarkar, called him a proud son of India. So, I mean, either the Congress party of today doesn't even know what their own leaders have said, or they believe in duplicity with regard to Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, who, of course, is former Prime Minister and eminent economist. The kind of politics that the Congress party is doing is astounding, to put it mildly. During his lifetime as Prime Minister, Mr. Rahul Gandhi went out of his way to insult Dr. Manmohan Singh, who was traveling out of the country on a visit to the USA as the Prime Minister of India, when the ordinance he tore and threw it in the dustbin. And as it seems to have been reported also, Dr. Manmohan Singh was very pained of it, as Rahul Gandhi apologized for that. Now that Dr. Manmohan Singh is no more, they did a lot of politics on the memorials. This is after it was made clear that yes, something like that would be done. And this was after the Congress party, in its own policy, way back in 2004-05, decided no more memorials. And it's amazing to note that suddenly they speak about a former Prime Minister. What did they do with the late Narasimha Rao ji, in whose cabinet Dr. Manmohan Singh was Finance Minister, and who then ushered in liberalization when Prime Minister Narasimha Rao was there? They didn't even allow his cremation in Delhi. I think the Congress party is only doing rank politicizing.
Well, the centre did agree for a memorial to be built after Manmohan Singh, yes. But what about the demand for a college now?
No, so therefore, every day morning, the Congress party gets up something to make a political statement.
Okay.
If the Congress party was so committed, they would have respected Dr. Manmohan Singh during his lifetime when he was Prime Minister and wouldn't be doing this kind of politics after his death.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Kohli, for speaking to NDTV and sharing your views there. Well, that's the big breaking news that's coming in. That's the letter now that has been written by the NSUI to Prime Minister Modi. Well, that's on your TV screens there. NSUI has now asked that a college must be named after the late Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. But the BJP says that when Manmohan Singh was still alive, the Congress party insulted him, and now they are trying to play politics over this issue. We have more reactions also coming in. Listening.
दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के लिए बहुत ही खुशी और गर्व की बात है कि कल भारत के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स की आधारशिला रखेंगे। एक तो ईस्ट दिल्ली कैंपस जो आएगा हमारा ईस्ट दिल्ली के अंदर आ रहा है, दूसरा वेस्ट दिल्ली कैंपस और तीसरा सावरकर कॉलेज जो कि रोशनपुरा नजफगढ़ के अंदर एस्टैब्लिश हो रहा है। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि 3 नए प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे। भारत सरकार की ये एक योजना है कि शिक्षा में का विस्तार हो, अच्छी शिक्षा, सस्ती शिक्षा सबको उपलब्ध हो। ये इस दिशा में जो सरकार की योजना है दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय उसमें अग्रसर भूमिका निभाने का प्रयास कर रहा है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी का एकदम साफ स्टैंड है। राहुल गांधी जी ने लोकसभा में एकदम साफ स्टैंड लेके उन्होंने अपनी बात कही। हम लोग मानते हैं कि देश की आज़ादी में लाखों लोग, करोड़ों लोग अपना टाइम दिया था, कंट्रीब्यूट किए थे, कई लोग ने अपनी जानें भी दी थी। तो उन लोगों में से किसी के नाम से इनको कॉलेज रखना चाहिए था। सावरकर जी, उनके बहुत सारे साथियों का नाम भी उस फहरिस्त में आ जाता है जिन्होंने माफ़ीनामा लिखी थी, पेंशन उनसे ली थी, यूर लॉयल सर्वेंट करके चिट्ठियाँ लिखी थी। जब आज़ादी का आंदोलन चल रहा था, ऐसा बैकस्टैबिंग जो लोग किए थे उनको लेजिटिमाइज करवाना, उनको हीरोज़ बना के इतिहास के पन्नों में ज़बरदस्ती उनका नाम दर्ज करवाने की जो कोशिश की जा रही है, मुझे लगता है कि इससे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा उनको फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला है।
दिल्ली में उच्च शिक्षा का जो मौके मिलने चाहिए थे, ना दिल्ली सरकार ने कोई नए कॉलेज बनाए और पिछले 10 साल में बीजेपी की सरकार रही, ना नए कॉलेज बना पाई, ना यूनिवर्सिटियां खुल पाई। आज आप देखो दिल्ली का जो लड़का है, लड़की है, स्कूल से पास आउट करते हैं, वो विवश हो रहा है या तो विदेशी जाने का जो अफोर्ड कर पाते हैं या प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने के लिए। दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय जहां माना जाता था कि हिंदुस्तान भर का बच्चा यहाँ आके पढ़ता थे, अब दिल्ली के अपने बच्चों को जगह नहीं मिल पा रही है। उसके लिए हमें नए कॉलेज खोलने चाहिए थे, हमें सीटें बढ़ानी चाहिए थी। उसके जगह ऐसा लग रहा है कि सोची समझी रणनीति से, और उसमें दोनों दिल्ली सरकार को भी मैं दोषी मानूंगा, भारत सरकार को भी। ना यूनिवर्सिटियों में जगह बढ़ रही हैं और जो अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटियां थी उनको खराब की जा रही है कि लोग प्राइवेट में जाएं।